Hello everyone, this is our second generation portable battery LED work light. This time, we put 3 different style lights on our base, and they come with brand new control panel. The center button is power button, and the top one is 100% brightness. The right side of the button is 30% brightness. The left button is amber color. The button one is flashing mode. The battery works up to 4 to 5 hours after full charge. 4 magnet is located in the base. You could stick the light to the metal surfaces wherever you want. For accessories, we provide 2 chargers to you. 1 lighter adapter, 1 home power charger. Charging port is located on the side of the button. When you charge it, red light will be shown on the charger. Green light means the battery is fully charged. As is shown here, there are 3 different styles of light sets. They all come with PMMA lens for front face, aluminum housing with texture coating, adjustable bracket for all these 3. This one is 18 volt with 6 LED light pods. This one is 15 with 5 pods. This one is 18 volt with 6 pods. The color and flashing pattern are customizable if special requirement for all 3. The capability of long life battery and water resistant make this light the perfect option for camping, roadside emergency, working, and searching.